Hi everyone! This week on Friction Friday, we have the 2026 Subaru Trailseeker. Built for adventure and everyday versatility, the Trailseeker expands Subaru's electric lineup with the capability and confidence drivers expect from the brand. Whether navigating changing weather, rough roads, or daily commutes, braking performance plays an important role in maintaining control. DFC's 5000 series advanced brake pads are engineered to provide quiet operation, stable pedal feel, and dependable stopping performance under EV-specific conditions. Designed to work alongside regenerative braking systems, they help deliver smooth and predictable response behind the wheel. Complementing that performance are DFC's GeoSpec coated rotors, built to maintain consistent braking characteristics while helping resist corrosion from moisture, dirt, road salt, and other environmental conditions. OE-specific designs ensure proper fitment and reliable installation for technicians. From city streets to weekend getaways, DFC braking components help the Trailseeker deliver the confidence and control Subaru owners expect wherever the road leads. DFC brake components are available individually or as complete all-in-one brake kits, helping distributors simplify inventory while improving efficiency in the service bay. DFC proudly supports the 2026 Subaru Trailseeker with a complete braking solution: pads, rotors, and hardware engineered for durability, consistency, and OE-level fit. If you missed this week's Must-Have Monday email, connect with your DFC sales rep or visit dynamicfriction.com to download the full sell sheet organized by make and model. And as always, stay tuned for next week's Friction Friday to see what we're launching next.